So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Gmail in your PC offline. So all you have to do is to open the Gmail account in any of the browser. You can use Chrome or any other browser as well. And after entering in the Gmail, all you have to do is to go to the settings. You can see the setting icon at the top right corner. Click on it and go to the see all settings option. Once you click on it, you need to find an option of offline. You can see it's on the second number from the right corner. You need to click on this and you have to just simply tick the option of enable offline mail. Once you click this, you will see the all the data which are going to be stored in your PC. You can select for how many days you have to store the email offline in your PC. Once you select these options, all you have to do is to click on the save changes, and now the data has been downloaded and you can use the Gmail in your PC offline also. So that's a very interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.